Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creme brulee with custard powder, only ways. Start by preheating the oven to 150 degrees C and prepare a bain-marie for gentle baking. Whisk custard powder with sugar and a small amount of milk to form a smooth paste before adding warm whole milk and egg yolks. Strain the mixture, fill ramekins, and bake until set but slightly wobbly in the center. Top with sugar and caramelize. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent texture and flavor. Warm the milk slowly and whisk custard powder into a small cold milk portion first to avoid lumps. Whisk sugar into the paste, then temper the yolks by adding warm milk gradually while stirring constantly. Return the mixture to low heat until it slightly thickens, then strain and cool briefly before filling ramekins and baking in a water bath until just set. Cooling is crucial for that signature contrast of warm, crisp sugar and cold custard. Pat the tops dry so sugar melts evenly, then sprinkle a thin, even layer of superfine sugar. Hold the torch about 6 inches away and move steadily until the sugar melts and browns to amber. Allow the caramel to set for a minute so it hardens into a crisp shell before serving for the best texture and presentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.